Welcome to Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. This game will be unedited. For more tips, check out these other videos. My favorite, of course, is Solitaire Complete Tip Guide, highlighted in yellow. It's got almost every tip I could think of. I can almost guarantee you will get better if you watch it and pay attention to one or two of them. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and get win number 1341. As a general rule, I like to attack these columns, meaning these columns are the ones with these cards, first, and then work my way in the draw pile. I also like to save early cards in the draw pile as insurance and try to manipulate the draw pile so I can get the maximum number of cards out. With that being said, let's go ahead and start here. And I also like to get the kings out if I can early, assuming there's more space. So we got two different kings here. We also have a 2 and a 3. Sometimes you don't like to move the low cards because they can bottleneck later on. But we're going to play it and see how it plays out. We may use the undo button. We may not. Let's go ahead and play this king and see what variation. Okay, that variation we can play. And that's as far as that one goes. So that one, there's a red 10 at the bottom. Let's play this variation. Playing this king over here. And that allows us to open up this column. And there's a dead end right there. Okay, let's go back. So we have a 4 of diamonds. And one, we have a red 10 and the other. Let's see what's in the draw pile. Again, going to try to save this for insurance. Now, I could make an exception if this next card was playable. 2 of spades is not, unfortunately. So let's just go through. There was a 4. Was that a 4? Oh, there was a 4 under there. So I don't know if I necessarily want to play that 4. So, okay, we're going to keep going and see what's there. A king and a queen. Interesting. That may be an option. We'll look at that the next time around. This red jack is a very good card for us because it allows us to open up this column here and see what's underneath. And it's the ace of diamonds. That's good. And it may be even better yet. Let's see what we have. Let's go through. We'd like to get this ace of spades out too. Okay, let's just go through. Oh, wait. There was a 9 in the end. We're going to play... Oh no, there's 2 red 9s. We'll get that in the next go around. Again, we are going to save this as insurance. And we're saving this 4 because we have a potential play later on that we're going to hold it for. Okay, do we have a blackjack? Let's see, there's nothing there. Oh, there's the 9. We're going to play this red 9 here. And we'll just cycle through again. Okay, going to try this variation here with the king and the queen and the 8. And then may try a different variation later. Oh, we could... I guess we are going to play the 4 because that will allow us to open the 6 up right here. And it'll give us an open column for one of these 2 kings. So we're going to play this 4. We're going to play the 7 of diamonds. And that's going to open up the column, like I said. And then the real question is, do we want to play this variation? Or do we want to play another? Oh, wait. Because there was a red 10 underneath. Oh, we can't get to the red 10 because we played that. And then there was the 4 and the 3. Oh, no. We can play this 2 now. We can play the ace of clubs. Let's see how this variation goes. That's not very... Might want to be playing. I may be going back on this one here. This is a tricky one. I'm going to play the blackjack. Again, we have this as insurance. Oh no, we're not going to play the blackjack. There was 2 blackjacks in this. If there's 2 blackjacks, you always want to play, almost always, like 95% of the time, want to play the blackjack that's in the front of the draw pile, not the back. So this may be an insurance card if there's no other plays here. And the reason for that is playing that allows us to manipulate cards. So we're going to go back all the way to the start here. Okay, So we're at the start of the draw pile. Playing that allows us to manipulate cards in the draw pile and gives us more potential moves. So we're going to play this blackjack, and that's going to open up this king and queen, which we may not be able to take advantage of because we don't have an open column. But we've got it open there. But it's going to open up this red 10, and it's further going to open up this ace of spades. And the red 10 will be very important because it gives us another avenue. We can move some cards down because we get the black 9s right here. So let's go back again. Red 10, I think, is going to be the first option, and yeah, it is. So we're going to play the red 10, and then this ace of spades should drop next. This 5 of clubs is going to drop. That's actually going to be the card we're going to play. We're going to go all the way to the 5 of clubs. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're going to play that 5 of clubs. Even though there's a 5 earlier, that's our only move right now. And typically, yeah, we could play this, but we want to open up the column, so we're going to play this 4 of diamonds instead. That's kind of a good card because we got 2 different variations. We have 2 6s here we can play. Going to try the one on the left first and see how that goes, and then we'll use the undo button to see what the right option gives us. So there's 1 card there, and nothing. So that's a bottleneck. Let's play the one on the right and see what we can't do. Okay. It allows us to move to 7. 3 diamonds can either go there or up top. I'm going to play it up top. Oh, that's good. We can move the queen. And more importantly, we can move this black 10. Now, if I remember correctly, there was a black 4 underneath here, the 4 of spades. So we're going to hold off on that. We're going to try to move the king out of this. And then we'll get this king moved, but we have to move this king first. And we'll get to it. Oh, we can play the blackjack. There's 2. Oh, no, this is the last blackjack, so we're going to play that. And this is the last red 9. We'll play that. Now we're going back again. Again, this is our insurance card. We will use that at some point. I believe the king... Oh, no, we're going to play the ace of spades first. And then we'll go back again. Just trying to whittle the cards out of the draw pile as fast or as slowly as possible, but we want to get them out of there so we can try to finish these columns off. So we'll see how that goes. And again, this black 9 is going to be critical because it'll allow us to move the 8, but we're going to wait to get to that for just a minute here. So we got this king right here. I'm going to play that, and then we're going to get to the queen in just a minute. So, okay, going back again. Now the queen should be 1 card away. And that means what we have to do first to get this black queen out is we have to play this 5 of spades. Because we played that 5 of spades, what that's going to do is when this draw pile resets, the queen should show up on the second click right here. There it is. Okay, and more importantly, we can now move this red jack, and we can now move this other column, this king column, and open that up. Again, it's a 4 of spades, which we can't really do much with yet, but we have a plan, and we are going to work that plan. So going through again, the ace is our insurance card. Now, again, I've said this several times, but just going to repeat myself one more time here. A lot of times we want to play the ace and then play the 9. We don't want to do that here because we can move this 2 of spades. Although there is no 3 of spades, so that may not be played. But we're going to play it like that and see how this goes. So going back again. Now we're going to play everything we can. Let's see, move the 2 of spades, and yeah. So we're going to move the red 9 or the black 9 under here. And we're going to keep our fingers crossed that this 8 of diamonds will actually help us out here. Oh, that's good. That's a 2 of clubs. Very good card, actually. We're going to see what we can do with these columns, and then we'll figure out what to do with the rest of these cards here. Because that looks like that's what we have left. We could play this, but we're going to hold off And then those are the cards we have in the draw pile. But we're going to leave that for now. And we're going to focus on getting cards up to the foundation pile, starting with this 2 of clubs. That's good because that opens up. That's a 3 of spades. That's a great card for us. We're going to play the 3 of spades. And of course, we are going to play this 4 of spades right here. That's a good card too. We can play that underneath the black jack. And that's a good card because we can play this red 6 and open up that column there. Okay, we want to put this up top. We're going to put the red 2 of hearts first. And we'll put this card, 3 of hearts, up to the foundation pile. I think that's kind of good. We can... Yeah, we got 2 black 8s. We may be doing some maneuvering here. Let's get the low cards up first and then see where we're at. So 3 clubs up, 4 of clubs up. We're going to do 4 of diamonds, 5 of clubs, do the 5 of spades, and let's see what other options we have here. Oh, I think the rest of the cards are down below, so let's see how this goes. We want the 5... Oh, this is a tricky one here. I think, yeah, we're just going to play this 9 of spades because we can play the rest of these cards, all I believe, including the 6 of spades. So we're going to play the 6 of spades. I believe we pretty much have this solved here. 4 of hearts can go, 5 of diamonds can go, the 8 of hearts can go, and yeah, we've got it solved. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.